Hello, geometry people. Wanted to give you a little bit of a heads up on what we're doing in class. Based on the first 2 days and what I've seen from my side, um, I'm not sure that people are aware that you have an assignment in some cases. So, real quick, Jillian, David, Malik, Braden, make sure you understand that we have an assignment on Manga High that you're supposed to be working on. It is due on Friday, but I wouldn't wait till Friday to start it. Um, the idea was to get on there, get started, and what happens on there is that you basically have a series of quizzes to take. It's going to call them, I think, probably calls them like a game or something, but they're just 10-question quizzes, and they're based on 4 different levels. The first level is easy, that's where they all start, and if you get 4 correct in a row on the easy level, it will move up and put you on the medium level. And if you get 4 correct there, it will jump up from medium into the high level or the hard level. And then if you do well on the hard level, it will jump up to extreme. The goal here to get your full points for the homework assignment is to earn a gold medal this week in that assignment. The only way to do that is to answer questions correctly. It's not based on how much time you spend. It's not based on how many questions you answer. It's based on how well you do overall. Okay? Now, Michael and Jade, I can see that you were on there and you tried a quiz. 1. That wasn't the assignment. The assignment was to get a gold medal, which means that you're going to have to go back and replay. There are people in other classes and your classmates in this class as well that spend like 15 minutes doing this, and because they understood how to use trig to solve for sides and triangles, they're able to finish in like 15 minutes and they're done. They've got a gold medal. And I've got other people in other classes that have spent like an hour and still don't have a gold medal. It depends on where you're at and how long it takes you to achieve that. But the goal here is to be proficient enough to achieve a gold medal by the end of the day on Friday, and all of this is review. I posted a video to help remember, or maybe to jar some of those thoughts that are in your head that you've forgotten over the last couple of weeks. But if you're still having trouble, how would you get off the escalator? Well, one way you could do that is that when you're done with the quiz, there is a review button. And so when you click that review button on your screen, you'll be able to go back through the 10 questions that it just asked you, and it shows you what your responses were. And if you want, you can click on the solve button, and it will show you all of the steps needed to solve any problem from that quiz. All right? So it's pretty simple to go through and get help from the program itself. If you're still stuck and you didn't like the video that I shared with you before, there's plenty of other videos available and information available on the web where you can help yourself get off the escalator. The other thing you could do is if you're stuck on something and you wanted to ask me a question, fine. Then post that question to the Google Classroom discussion. Please don't just send me an email, because if you do that, then other people don't benefit from hearing my response. I may respond with just a typed message, but I'm more likely to respond by actually physically working the problem on a piece of paper and videoing it so that you understand my steps and how to solve that problem. Plus, when other people can see it, if they have that same question, they can watch that same video. So, in addition, the other people in the classroom, if they read your question, they might be able to just make comments and help you solve it too. This is a learning community. We want to be able to help each other, and feel free to ask questions within the community of each other. So we want everyone to be involved in discussing some of the problems that you might encounter and how to solve those problems. Okay? All right. So let me be clear. This was not a one-time shot assignment, even though you could probably get by with as little as 3 attempts to get a gold medal. There's people that are in other classes, and I haven't looked at how many attempts people in this class have necessarily made, but there's people in other classes that have already tried like 20 times and still haven't reached their gold medal. So don't wait till the last minute. Make sure you jump in, take the quiz, do it again, do it again. It's not the same questions over and over, but similar types of questions. So again, you want to be able to get in there, pass the easy level. By the end of the 10th question, it might have moved you up to the medium level. That's where you start when you do the next quiz. It's going to start you on the medium questions, and if you can advance from the medium level questions into the hard level questions on that second quiz, that's where it's going to leave off, okay? And you might be able to earn like a silver medal after that. And then start the next time you take that, you say play, it's going to start you off on the last level of your previous quiz, okay? So that's how you gain enough points. That's how you earn a gold medal. Each time you click play, you start from 0 points. The points are not cumulative. The level is what determines where you're going to start and how many points you get on each time that you play through, okay? So earn those gold medals. Keep working. Jade, I know you said you didn't have a calculator. That's okay. There's a lot of online calculators that you can use. If you have access to a phone, maybe you can use the calculator on your phone. But you're going to have to find a scientific calculator that has trig functions on it, and those are available online. And you're welcome to use those. Your browser isn't going to be locked to one screen while you're taking those quizzes on Manga High. So you might have to switch your screens or switch back and forth on Windows so you can see what the answers to the trig functions are, but you're going to be able to do those even without a calculator in your hand, okay? All right. Well, good luck, guys. Keep at it. Don't just take the quiz once. Don't wait till Friday to start. You need to be working every day on these. And, you know, if you did it today and you earned your gold, you'd be done for the rest of the week. So give it a shot. Get them done early. All right. Good luck, and we'll talk to you soon.